He got me the new Dominant Industries Kenyo fountain pen and some inks. And to my awesome surprise, I was unaware that the pen came with the ink. So I got Jersey Devil from Robert Oster, which is a beautiful red. He saw it on my wish list and he just dropped it in the cart. Gotta love that man. And then I got Dominant Industries November Leaves, which is really pretty. These are my first Dominant Industry inks, and the way they're packaged and the bottles are super cute. So they come with this little sucker upper thing